Church in Nairobi. Well, right now, let's just move on to another story here. Jubilee Deputy Party leader Fred Matiang'i has challenged young people to rise, organize and take control of the country's leadership, declaring that the future of Kenya rests firmly in their hands. Speaking at SEK St. Thomas Kerugoya in Kirinyaga County during the annual Thanksgiving ceremony of the Kenya Anglican Youth Organization, that's KAYO, the former Interior Cabinet Secretary and Jubilee Party presidential candidate delivered a blunt and urgent call to action, warning that continued political apathy among the youth risks handing power to leaders who do not reflect their interests.
You young people have a greater responsibility in this, because if age is anything to go by, many of you will outlive the people seated on this side of the sanctuary. And therefore you have a greater responsibility to do more and exert yourselves more in the journey and in the path of making Kenya a greater country than it is today. You have taught us many things. From the happenings of the 25th of June 2024, you've taught us that it's possible to live in this country tribelessly, that it's possible to live in this country focusing on the things that need to be done. And that's why I am so grateful to see so many young people volunteering themselves and stepping into the responsibilities of leadership. I want to encourage you young people. Let us now occupy leadership. Let's not just talk about occupying the spaces we have been occupying. The 2027 general election should be about young people occupying leadership at all cadres, so that you make the changes that you desire and the changes you would like to see in your country.
And well, the family of a slain prominent businessman